We are at OSW because today is 8-6 day. That means it's number 8 on the calendar, number 6. 8-6 day. Yay. 8-6 day. 8-6. Hey, baby.
Hi.
Are you excited?
No.
What are these?
Yeah.
What you got here? What are these?
Big Kumo fan.
The Kumos.
Shout out Colette Davis for putting me on.
Yeah, shout out to Colette. Drop the @ right here if y'all haven't heard of her. She's right there. Big LZ fan. Let me see here. What you got? Let me see. What are these? Let me see these Johnnies. Made in Korea. Woo!
Damn, Kevin was stuck in Korea.
Damn, sorry, Kevin. If you're watching this, we really wish you were here. What's up with TW on this video? What are these?
Hundreds?
Hundreds? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, 560. God damn. Oh, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, no. That's crazy. We only do 100 or better, but we're going to try out some 560s today. Come on, baby. You got this. Just make sure they're not directional. Wow, I haven't seen them Johnnies in a long time. Majestic screw, mother. Yo, look at my old trailer. Check it out. Oh, sorry, guy. I'm not zooming into you. You kind of see it. We'll walk over there later and show you guys the depressing old rig. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Woo,
I'm tired.
She's tired. All right, we're going to get up through there and get to tech. Let's go. We got KD86 over there. We got the EcuTech dongle going, you already know. So we actually stock these. Here, if I can do this. So, if you have an OBD2 car, OBD up, I just haggard that because he walked up and I saw your reflection.
I'm so sorry. I make you nervous, I know.
So yeah, we do keep a bunch of these in stock, in inventory. We have about 15. Very good for a lot of common vehicles, so let me know. Let's go.
No, she's a stock car, man.
Stock. For now. Oh. Number 69, OSW, linebacker. Yeah, going through tech real quick. Tech that, baby. Tech practices. Sersky. Hello, everybody. This is your flight captain, Poopy Racing, on the channel. We are live on a 747 Boeing. We're coming down the runway, Delta Bravo 9er, coming in. Sunny skies, prepare for arrival at MCO OSW Drift. Here we are. We're gonna cut the camera because Allie gets shy.
I get nervous.
Bye bye.
Hey V, line them up.
Clutch kick, and then try to modulate throttle through there. Okay. Alright, so now you're gonna pull the handbrake, clutch in, 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs, let off the fucking handbrake. As soon as you get the car kicks out, let off the clutch and try to power through. Got it? If you feel like it's gonna, try to stay wide open throttle. If you feel like the car's gonna spin, just let off throttle and then catch yourself and then clutch kick again. Okay. You should pull it through. After the engine will touch this again, you're just gonna use it to just set you up.
Okay.
That's good. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. I didn't know you were recording.
Okay.
Got a ripper in the making here.
Ripper in the making.
K-Series FRS on the way.
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's
I'm
try
gonna
it.
go run over there.
Okay.
Good luck.
These are memories in the making.
Yeah.
car.
Well, it's the car. It's the car. Francis. That shit fun to drive, man. Like stay in it, like wing that dog. Like you go into the dirt, you go into the dirt.
That's why I told you cannot let off. There's no feathering. There's feathering maybe on the high end.
What? It's gonna go, man. Yeah, because I tried to do what I do on my car right there, the exit and left foot brake, and I was like, nope.
Yeah, you scared me at the end. I was like, please don't go off.
I won't go off, but I tried to like foot brake and gas it, and it was just like, nope.
Are you clutch kicking or handbrake? Ride the handbrake a little longer.
Race car. Yeah, drifters, always making solutions. Baby wanted no button, she got no button.
Good B-roll here of Natalie working.
My little effort.
New Miata on the team too.
The other day,
Check it out.
coming too.
He's got a KVD kit on the way, angle kit, handbrake on the way. He's got the new shoes on it, so that's gonna be sick. Little ripper in the making right there. Keep up with Georgie. Maybe they could tap doors one day.
I mean,
You got the same
how
vibe.
are you?
Yeah, me too. Go check out my vibe.
Your shorts aren't
It's
short
good.
enough.
It's fine.
Your shorts aren't short enough.
It was really ironic because like Willie's
There you
like,
go.
"Can just take
How's the
down
car handle?
because I was like,
Gotta get into vlogging for sure.
Wow, we are vlogging a new lens and a new camera. Look at this guy. More natural.
Guys, check it out. Drift day.
Yeah, we could use that if you want.
Sure.
Let's do it.
Not cooperating.
So Georgie's on the ones and twos on the
Tuner has to look for
on the day logs over there. Natalie's car is a ripper. It has a couple bugs here and there. The thing about this camera is pretty fucking heavy.
yeah, but he says that we can get a grip
You, the grip thing that make a little.
because then we can hold it just like this.
Casey
Or you gotta hit the gym.
Natalie had a couple laps in it, so she had fun.
Casey Neistat style.
E85 is pretty cool on her car, but you know, today was just meant to, you know, try to get as much driving out of the car before we put the JZ in, which is assembled already at the shop, which is pretty cool.
Really had problems keeping it in the power.
Yeah, I had
He's gonna put
problems
that.
keeping it in the power, but I
You had
pushed it.
problems keeping it up.
I had problems keeping it up, and
And now it's awkward moving.
Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.
No, you didn't tell
It's
me.
done.
We're gonna go back to the tune.
Oh wait, so no, we're still talking. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go back into the tune, look at it some more, see if we can probably try to drive it again one more time before we actually pull the motor, because I'm really curious to see what we can get out of the FA and see if we can get Natalie to enjoy it some more on her current setup. Obviously, the JZ is not going to be a full-blown race car. It's just going to be a fun, overall, versatile vehicle. So if she wants to drift it, she can. If she wants to drag it, she can. Circuit, she can. So that'll be cool. Other than that, I mean, it's been a very interesting turn of events this week. We bought another K-Series. So yeah,
Update them on everything.
we're gonna K-Series FRS coming soon. So just keep watching, see those videos, because we're gonna do some hot boy fresh shit with that. Get spicy. Probably put some Drag Cartel 4.2 cams in that thing. Ooh.
Oh, okay. We're just going all out with all the info.
Rap sounds on the K-Series. So stock bottom and built
Did
it.
you like that idea of doing an all-wheel drive series?
Thanks for watching. Let's get out of here. This camera's sick. Thanks for letting me use
You
it.
can do BZs, whatever you want.
Yeah,
Ryan.
They have